Have you ever wondered how to back up Kubernetes environment? Or maybe you don't feel that it is necessary? My name is Marcin Kubacki, I'm Chief Software Architect at Storware, and today I'm going to talk about how to do it with brand new vProtect release. Well, we often receive that kind of questions from our customers, and in brand new release vProtect 3.7 we actually implemented Kubernetes support. What it actually does is, assuming that you have your Kubernetes in here and set of deployments with multiple pods and persistent volumes, we actually are able to get data from these persistent volumes, grab the configuration, and later export it to our node and your backup destination. That means that now with vProtect you are able to back up Kubernetes using IBM Spectrum Protect, other enterprise-grade vendors, 2S3, or any other type of storage that you have, even including a regular file system. Now, the good thing is that we also provide vProtect as a set of Docker files, so you actually are able to install vProtect on the Kubernetes itself, so there is no need to use external virtualization platforms. In the next few videos, I'm going to explain also application backup that we introduced with Multiverse release, especially that you can enhance Kubernetes backup with your own customized script and backup anything within your containers. Thank you for now and stay tuned for another videos.